The Alpine A390, officially unveiled in May 2025, represents a pivotal and audacious step for the revered French performance brand, moving beyond its traditional two-seater sports car niche. The A390 introduces Alpine into the competitive yet highly lucrative compact crossover SUV segment. However, true to its heritage, this is no ordinary utility vehicle. The A390 is a performance-focused battery electric model, designed from the ground up to infuse Alpine's signature agility, driver engagement, and distinctive styling into a more versatile 5-seat package. Crucial for the brand's ambitious dream garage expansion, it directly targets a new generation of buyers seeking a blend of exhilarating electric performance and everyday practicality, setting it apart from more conventional electric SUVs. Visually, the A390 masterfully translates Alpine's iconic design language into a larger, yet still incredibly sleek and athletic form. It immediately distinguishes itself with a fastback-like roofline, reminiscent of a coupe, and taut, sculpted bodywork that emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency. The front fascia features an unmistakably Alpine identity, with its unique multi-element LED lighting signature and aggressive air intakes. Every line and curve appears meticulously crafted, from the functional rear diffuser to the subtle integrated spoiler, all contributing to an aerodynamic profile that belies its SUV classification. This design approach successfully bridges the gap between a high-performance sports car and a practical family vehicle, ensuring the A390 stands out in a crowded market segment while remaining instantly recognizable as an Alpine. Underneath its striking exterior lies a highly sophisticated and performance-oriented electric powertrain. The A390 is equipped with a tri-motor, all-wheel drive system featuring one motor on the front axle and two independent motors dedicated to the rear wheels. This innovative setup is key to the A390's handling prowess, enabling advanced active torque vectoring across the rear axle. This intelligent system precisely distributes power to each rear wheel, significantly enhancing cornering grip and agility, effectively mitigating the increased weight inherent in an electric SUV. Alpine offers two compelling variants: the A390 GT, which delivers a robust 295 kilowatts for 100 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour in a rapid 4.8 seconds, and the top-tier A390 GTS, boasting an exhilarating 345 kilowatts for 170 horsepower, slashing the same sprint time to a blistering 3.9 seconds. Both models are powered by an 89 kilowatt-hours battery pack, providing a commendable WLTP range estimated between 325 and 345 miles, depending on the variant and wheel size, while rapid DC charging at up to 190 kilowatts ensures a 15 to 80% charge in under 25 minutes. A unique overtake boost function, activated by a red button on the steering wheel,